Hi guys, Nick Miller here today from Mark Supply 88. Today we have for you a 2005 Yanmar VIO35-3 mini excavator. This is a 8,000 pound class machine. Machine weighs around 8,200 pounds. Nice little machine here with 1,724 original hours on it. Purpose of this video today is we're going to start, run, dig with the machine, show you that it goes through all its paces, show you its features and aspects. We're going to start you right back here in the engine compartment. Unit's powered by a 3-cylinder Yanmar diesel engine. Starts, runs, and works excellent. Does not have any abnormal smoke, blow-by noises, anything like that. We've had in our shop, changed fuel filter, engine oil, air filters have been changed, and very nice and clean. You'll see there's no engine oil leaks or anything like that. There's no hydraulic leaks on this machine that we have found. Sheet metal is good and straight. There's one or two little dents on the side we'll show you. Guys, we take the time to shoot these videos to show you the actual reality of what the machine is. Don't waste our time with stupid offers. We are taking the time to do this because we're serious about selling equipment. There is a ding here in this side panel. You'll see there's a dent right here. This little panel opens up. It's where your hydraulic tank is at and your fuel. That all latches good. Tracks on the machine are going to be right around 45–50%. There is some cuts in them, some cuts on the sides we'll show you. Sprockets, idlers, and rollers are all in good condition. We've checked that, jacked it up and checked it. We have checked the planetary oils. Actually, we changed the planetary oils in them because they were due. Everything there is good. If you want new tracks installed before it's shipped to you, it'll cost you $2,500. We'll put you a brand new set of tracks on. We are a dealer for rubber tracks. We'll put them on for you. That's no problem at all. Machine absolutely has no aftermarket welding, anything of that nature, and this is a zero tail swing machine. There is nothing that would overhang the track in the back, and you can see here in the back, see how its curvature is. One thing that is on the Yanmar excavator that should be on every mini excavator in the industry, this has its own hydraulic pin grabber, which is really, really neat. I believe, and I'll have this in the ad, this is an inch and a half pin. As long as you have a bucket with inch and a half pin with, I believe it's 6 3/4 inch spacing, you can hydraulically grab it, and I'll give you all the dimensions if you need it, where a lot of buckets will be universal. I mean, just an absolute slick setup. Other nice thing is I can actually spin this bucket around, hook onto it, and have the bucket facing like a shovel, where if you want to backfill ditch. I mean, just absolutely an incredible coupler. You can see here it's plumbed on the boom for running auxiliary attachments. All the cylinders are dry. Comes with your front push blade, of course. We'll show you these couple cuts in this track here on the side. Again, this is a 35-3, and this machine actually weighs right around 8,200 pounds. In this trap door here, you will have a pattern changer. If you're a cat guy, it's currently on John Deere control, because that's what I like to run. But you can switch this right over to cat control. You can see here in the seat, there is a couple weather cracks. So it's just the way we're going to sell it. And there is 1,724 hours. All the gauges work. It is almost full of fuel. And we'll show you why we're up here. This is the Yanmar hydraulic coupler system. To dismount it, you'll push the power button. Turn it, it'll dismount, or turn it the other way to tighten it. Really a slick setup. This time I'm going to go ahead and start the machine. We're going to dig with it for you, show you everything works. We'll take the bucket on and off so you can see how that all works. Well, I hope you can see there from the video, the machine does everything you ask it to do. Now, anybody that's sitting at home and said, why would you waste the time putting that bucket on backwards? Yes, I know in that situation that wasn't a perfect example of why to put your bucket on backwards, but you stand and think about that for a little bit. There's plenty of situations you will get in with a mini excavator that it would be nice to have your bucket on backwards like that. I know guys that do that on a daily basis. They run their hoe half a day with the bucket on like that. There are so many manufacturers out there that should have that option that don't. That's cutting edge as far as I'm concerned, and Yanmar's had it for a long time. If you want to come and run this machine in person, I have nothing to hide. You're welcome to. You can come here and dig with it all afternoon. I don't care. It's full of fuel. If you need a freight quote, if you need any questions on it, if you need any assistance, just let us know. We'll be glad to help you. This isn't a brand new machine. It will have scratches and scrapes and that kind of things of a 1,700-hour machine. But this isn't a 3,700-hour machine. Keep that in mind. I feel I've set my price fair in the market. Do not send me stupid, ridiculous offers. It's a waste of my time and total waste of yours. If you have any questions or need a freight quote, we can be reached at 814-658-3066. Thank you very much for checking out Mark Supply 88. Happy eBaying.